Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to model this shape, and even though I will be explaining a little bit about let me just show the properties, and the shortcut again is the PP. Even though I will be re-explaining about this little shape. In the previous lecture we said, or we repeated the things that we used project browser in order to reach to our views, the different views in our project. For example, the project browser, even though if we close it at the beginning, we can show it by right click and then browsers, project browsers. We use project browser to open level 1 and level 2 to open our different elevations. And even if it's closed, just click on this plus button and then you will reach to your northeast all the elevations in here. Please close the ceiling plans because we are not using it. And we can even open our 3D. And if you just open your 3D, you will just see that you are in your 3D view. So this was about the project browser. And the properties, we said it's the information about all the families, about all the things you are doing. So for example, if I click the WA for wall, directly these properties will convert or will open the properties of this wall I'm going to model. This option line is the same of the properties. So now it's telling me its height and it's until level 2. The same information in here from level 1 to level 2. Center line, and you know guys what is center line and finish face exterior and finish face interior. We explained it, and even it's if you start drawing, you will see this dash line on the edge, where if I click on the wall center line, it will be at the center. So this is the line or location line. And we said before drawing anything, you should make sure or check your properties. WA is the walls, and when you open or you click WA directly, a new panel will appear to enable you to draw. We do have different method, different options. I could draw a line, I could draw a rectangle, I could draw a circle, I could draw a polygon, and from this polygon I could even change the sides, for example 8. Now it became 8 sides. I could use big face if I do have a floor, or I do have a let's say I do have a floor, let's say now, okay, this is a floor, and I could directly click on WA and click big line or big face. Now in this case I will choose big line. Just hover over one of the line, click tab, let's see, click tab, and now click one time. Now I directly draw it around the shape, and this is the walls I just draw. We talked about curtain wall. Curtain wall, we do have 3 types. This is the first one. Exterior glazing is the second one. Last one is storefront. And we say that this one is just a panel, a glass of panel. This one is with the grids. These are grids, and this one is grids and mullions. The same concept of these grids and mullions. If you do have different shape, because now if I click or open the properties of this one, I do have vertical, horizontal grid, vertical, horizontal mullions. For example, now this one is just a glass. Open it is none, none, none. All of them. That's why it's only glass. If I open the edit type and I said now I want the vertical one to be fixed number, and click apply, yes, okay. Now this grid number and the properties is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want it to be 10. It became 10. And I want it to be none. Let me just click again none and click apply. He will ask me, I will delete this grid lines. I will say yes, apply, okay. Now it became curtain wall. The same concept of this. What about if I do have different shape? For example, I want only one in here and one in here. I could use it. And for the mullion, click all grid one time. Yes, you are. Or you just draw. your wall. We do have another option. We do have something called edit profile. If I do have one wall, for example, like this, for example, this one, I will just click edit a profile, and now I will be able to draw a wall like this. Delete this, click yes. Now I do have a circular wall. Again, edit, click like this, click SL for split line, SL for split line in order to make a cut. And now TR, this one with this one with that one, and now delete this. Say yes. Now you do have this shape. The same concept, we will draw this little one. So if I open it, I just draw this little shape. That's why it became like this. We said, or we explained even roof by extrusion. Now, if I just, let's go back to this exercise. To this one. What we did, we open level 1. We draw a wall. WA for wall. We draw a wall something like this. Right? And then, what we did, we click on this wall and we click edit profile. And from this little, you see this little cube in here, when I'm rotating, it's rotating with me. Let me just click on back one time. Now, I'm just standing as, or just seen, I can see the model as elevation. We draw a rectangle like this, and it was 250 by 300 by 300. We choose start and radius arc, and then we click 1 point, 2 point, and then click this one and delete the last one and say yes. Now we do have this opening. In order to open, and we say that even like, let me just go back again. We say that make sure this opening exactly aligned with your level. It's aligned with your level 2. So I will open my level 2 and say now yes. I can see now the opening. I will open my floor. In order to go to floor, I open floor. And now I click on this rectangle, click something like this, click this one and just move it inside and say yes. Now we do have the floor. I will go now like this now and click on roof by extrusion. Click roof by extrusion. This panel will appear. He will tell me pick a plane. We said a plane is a face. So I will click yes and click on this face. He will ask me which level. I will say like level 2 or level 3. It's fine. Say yes. The same draw panel appeared in here. I will just go like this. Open this front. Zoom in. Click on this little arc. The same thing. If I click yes now, I can see it's going inside. You see? It's going inside. I want it to be outside, okay? I want it to be like this. Something else, I do have it like, I want it to be in the outer space. What I will do, I will go back, click on this roof, edit profile, click on that, delete it for now, and click on arc, click on this offset, and click just 20 centimeter. Click like this, like that, and click one time and say yes. If you now open your 3D, it's okay now. Just bring it like back, bring it back again. Make sure that in order to align, I will click AL for align, click on this face, rotate, and click on this little face. Now they are aligned. I will open my level 2 and now click WA, or click on this wall, CS for create similar. Make sure that it's finish face exterior and draw, click space, draw this little face like this. Go to 3D, bring it down, and bring it down. Again, you can even what? You can align. AL for align. Click on this face, click on this one. The same thing. Match properties, MA. Click on this wall, click on this wall. We do have different shapes. Again, AL for align. Click on this, click on this. And for the component, we say you will go to insert, go to insert to load family, load Autodesk family, and go to something called, let's just open it, something called Entourage, and then you will open one, male or female, open your level 2 component and put one in here. Open your 3D, you do have this shape. And that's it, I think.